Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering the PDF and the credentials you need. This is crucial because an encrypted file won't open without the right key. Once you have the password or certificate, make sure the PDF's permissions allow decryption, otherwise you must obtain higher access. Install a decryption-capable tool like Adobe Acrobat Pro or QPDF. These tools operate differently, so choose based on whether you have a password or a certificate. Now open the tool and load the encrypted PDF to begin. Next, you perform the actual decryption step because this converts the protected file into a normal PDF. If using Acrobat, access security settings and choose Remove Security, then type the password. Acrobat writes a new unencrypted file. If you prefer command line, run QPDF decrypt input, PDF output, PDF and provide the password when prompted. QPDF is fast and scriptable. For certificate-based files, import the certificate into your app and use the decrypt or export function to produce a plain PDF. Finally, verify the output so you know the process worked and the file is truly unencrypted. Open the new PDF and confirm permissions. Print, copy, and edit should be available. If not, repeat or try another tool. Save the clean copy in a secure folder and use a clear file name or version number to avoid confusion with the original. If something goes wrong password, corrupted source, or certificate mismatch, try another tool. Re-export from the original application, or obtain correct credentials from the document owner.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.